Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogrozinski with your very last screencast video for this short summer course. So, just to review the schedule, and then I'll move around the Blackboard shell here and also talk a little bit about the dry folder. On Tuesday, remember, drafts are due, first drafts are due on Sunday, end of day. All right. So the process will be as I will look at your first draft and review it and offer comments in the Google Doc located here in the course folder. I once again want to point out that you should probably the best way to organize your information is to create a folder like I did here with an example. You want to make a copy of the peer report, write your peer report, include that in your folder along with your first draft. I will comment on the drafts, offer suggestions as far as organizations, introductions, and your overall premise. So it'll be my review. I'll usually do this in a separate folder so as not to interfere with the peer review process. Then the task would be to write the peer reviews. Remember, there's not a large number of students, so this should be relatively easy to do. Look at the drafts that were posted. You have to write 2 reviews, so it all should work out on the numbers. Try to be I should say, sharing at least the attention as much as possible. See that everybody gets a peer review. One of the important things to remember is not only read the report, because I want you to respond to what the writer wrote in the peer report, and then look at the peer review prompts here. So you would be reviewer 1 or reviewer 2. Just then turn around and let me see, get rid out of here. Then you can just leave those in your folder. You can write them and leave them in the writer's folder. That's fine. When you go to upload your peer reviews, try to do, I've created, I believe, 2 separate assignments on this particular peer review 1, peer review 2. So remember, upload the GDoc link of the peer review report where you wrote your peer review number 1 and peer review number 2. Pretty straightforward. Here in the first draft and peer report, upload the 2 links. One link to your first draft, which is located in the folder, along with your peer report, which is located in the drive folder here for us. It's pretty easy to work through this activity. All right. So that's the activity for the week. As far as our discussion boards, you will find that after you've written the draft, exercise 5.1 is really a beneficial exercise. There are many more exercises that Ballinger offers, 5.2, 5.3, and so forth in the chapter in chapter 5 for the process of revising your research essay for the final draft that is due here on Sunday, 8/8. Okay. The second peer review will be due Friday at the end of the week. The final draft is due Sunday, 8/8. The course closes 11:59, end of day on Monday. So you want to make sure that you have the final discussion board, the social practices and participation post done before that day. After that, the course will close down. All assignments end. If for some reason you are still working on your annotated bibliography, I would like to point out the syllabus here. Okay, let's get to this here. Coursework, where's the breakdown here? All right, so all students must complete the annotated bibliography with a grade of C or better before I accept the final essay for grading. Not only that, you got to remember that the annotated bibliography is 30%. It's clearly defined here in the syllabus. You cannot pass the course without doing the annotated bibliography. Okay, so you want to make sure you upload that if you haven't done it, and then complete the essay process. All right, you also have to get a satisfactory level grade of a D or better according to the Illinois Higher Education Commission. All right, to pass this course. So be aware of the percentages and the requirements in the syllabus as we work through the final week of the short semester. Once again, getting to the announcements, I do believe that the drop date, as described in the syllabus, let me get that up here. I believe that is August 1st. Okay, if for some reason you might want to touch base with me, a coursework withdrawals, Sunday, August 1st at the end of the day is the last day to drop this course with a W. Otherwise, after that date, I can only issue you the grade that you have earned in this course, all right? So if you have any questions, send me an email. Good luck.